Hello, future TExES teacher, and welcome to this Lesson 2 of our Pedagogy and Professional Responsibilities EC through 12 exam number 160 test prep series, where we're going to help you get totally prepared for exam day. This is lesson number 2, where we're going to cover domain number 3, but a specific part of it. Now here we are at the official testing agency website, and if we scroll down to domain number 3, let's go down here a little bit further. We can read this implementing effective responsive instruction and assessment. And if you watched lesson number 1 of this series, you might think, wait, I thought we covered this in lesson number 1. And for the most part, we did. However, if you look inside competency number 8, we can see this section here, English language learners. Again, English language learners and proficiency, English language learners, and what you need to do is be able to demonstrate your understanding on exam day for how to provide effective instruction for our ELL learners. So what we're going to do is present you with a video that's going to teach you the knowledge and specifications that you're going to want to know for exam day. Here I am at teacherpreps.com. I've already enrolled, so I'm going to click the login button. And as soon as I do that, I'm going to click the card that's linked to our exam. For this case, that's the Pedagogy and Professional Responsibilities tab. So let's go here and scroll all the way down past the About section. And in this video, we're going to be looking at our English learners literacy development. So just click that link. You'll be presented with this video, which I'll show you in just a moment. But before I do so, I want to let you know the different types of vocabulary terms that you will likely see in this section of your exam. So look here, we have semantic instruction, tailored instruction, different types of assessments. Remember, there's formal, informal, and you're going to want to know these terms so that you can be prepared to pass on test day. Now again, if we just scroll past our study guide, we can have a look at the ways that you can check your understanding with the vocabulary exercise and then also the English learners practice test. So without further ado, I'm going to scroll back up to the top of this page and let's watch this English learners literacy development video. Enjoy, and I'll see you in lesson number 3.
English learners literacy development. Welcome to the essential guide for supporting English learners in literacy development at the elementary level. This chapter is designed to help you effectively address the diverse needs of ELs, integrating systematic language instruction, culturally responsive teaching, and tailored strategies to prepare you for your teacher certification exam. Systematic language instruction. Understanding how to implement systematic language instruction based on both formal and informal assessment outcomes is crucial. Here's what you need to focus on. Key concepts. Systematic instruction. Employ a structured and sequential approach to teaching English language learners, ensuring consistency and clarity in your lessons. Tailored instruction. Adapt teaching methods and materials to meet the unique needs and backgrounds of each student, informed by ongoing assessments. Assessment outcomes. Formal assessments. Utilize standardized tests and quizzes that are culturally and linguistically appropriate to gather quantitative data on student learning. Informal assessments. Employ observations, student interactions, and ungraded assignments to gain qualitative insights into students' language development, crucial for daily instructional adjustments. Implementation strategies, student profiles. Maintain detailed records of each student's language skills, learning preferences, and cultural background. Interest-based activities. Engage students by incorporating their interests into language tasks, enhancing motivation and relevance. Culturally responsive teaching. Integrate diverse cultural content into lessons to make learning more relevant and inclusive. Differentiation. Adjust lessons and assessments to accommodate different language levels and learning needs, using strategies like group work and scaffolding. Feedback. Provide clear, constructive, and positive feedback, encouraging self-assessment to help students recognize their progress. Differentiated instruction for language development. Differentiating instruction is key to meeting the varied needs of ELs. Here are effective strategies. Leverage first language knowledge. Utilize cognates and skills transferable from the student's first language to English, such as connecting artist in English with artista in Spanish. Address language differences. Be mindful of structural differences between English and the student's native languages, such as print directionality differences between English and languages like Arabic or Hebrew. Emphasize vocabulary. Provide intensive vocabulary instruction, focusing on key English words more extensively than with native speakers. Use visuals for vocabulary. Enhance vocabulary lessons with concrete objects, pictures, charts, and diagrams to support understanding. Model tasks. Explicitly demonstrate tasks clearly and slowly, ensuring that instructions are accessible and comprehensible to ELs. Cultural competency in teaching. Cultural competency is vital for creating an inclusive and effective learning environment. Here's how to integrate cultural awareness into your teaching. Understand diversity. Recognize and value the diverse cultures, languages, and backgrounds that students bring to the classroom. Incorporate cultural references. Use literature, examples, and content that reflect the cultures of your students to enhance relevance and engagement. Promote cultural identity. Encourage students to share their cultural experiences and perspectives, fostering an environment of mutual respect and understanding. Adapt teaching methods. Tailor your instructional strategies to align with the learning styles and cultural norms of different student groups, ensuring that all students feel supported and valued. By mastering these strategies, you will be well prepared for your teacher certification exam, but also equipped to provide a supportive, effective, and inclusive learning environment for English learners. Check your readiness for test day by visiting teacherpreps.com to complete the interactive study guides and practice tests.